Hello friends, welcome back my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today I am sharing with you without partner, without environment, you have speak to English. Yes, you have believed me and you have believed yourself. Any work for your life, future, you have believed yourself. Okay, you have not believe yourself. You have not do this the work. Okay, I have only three tips. Only three tips. You have follow these the tips and you have speak to English. My first tips is the you have try to thinking. You have try to think in English. Your daily activity, your daily work. You have one sentence, two sentence. You have thinking. You have think in English. Okay. You have make this the sentence. Your mind and think. Your daily activity. Uh, your daily thought, you have mind is the create this the thought, any thought, and you have think, you have think in English. Okay, your mother tongue is the very easy, you have speak, but English is a not it is a not difficult, it is a not speak to English. Okay, and my second tips is the talk to yourself. You have your mind is the any thought. Okay, you have express your thought, express your talk to yourself. Okay, you are going to market, you have different things, you have described these the things, quality name, these things is the quality name price, uh, what is this the company. Okay, how this the company, how this the get, how this the take this the material. You have think, you have think in English. Okay, you have walking and you have thinking, you are thinking in English, you have talk to yourself, but you have speak to English, you have speak, you have speak to English. Okay, and my third tips is the you have watch, you have watching this the cartoon, you are watching this the cartoon, small children's cartoon cartoon channel, you have listen and you have speak. Okay, you are understanding this the meaning, you are understanding this the sentence, you have make this the sentence, how this the make this the sentence, and you have listen and you have speak. You have daily, you have daily, you have speak and listen. Okay, you have only three tips you have follow and you have speak to English. Okay, you have not one day, 2 day you have speak to English, and third day you are lose your confidence, you have demotivate, and you have speak, you have try, you have not try, you are not speaking to English. And English is the most important, your future, your life. You have other countries you have talked to, you are talking to English, it is a not difficulty your life. Okay, and thank you watching this my video. My videos is like and subscribe, and you can do and you can speak. Bye bye.